Hello friends, today I will discuss about impact of CT polarity reverse in the neutral current in the secondary side of CT. So first I will discuss about what is meant by CT proper polarity, and then I will discuss about how the CT polarity reverse impact on CT neutral current in the secondary side. Now normal connection for CT is in the primary side, P1 shall be connected to the pass side and P2 shall be connected towards the load side. For feeder, it shall be connected towards the feeder side, and for transformer it shall be connected towards the transformer side. So if the current flows from P1 to P2 direction in the primary side, then as per CT secondary convention, current will be flows from direction in the secondary side from S2 to S1 direction. Again, if the current flows in the primary side from P2 to P1 direction, then current in the secondary side will be from S1 to S2 direction. Now, what is the reverse polarity? That is, P2 is connected towards the bus side and P1 is connected towards the load side or towards the transformer side for transformer CT. So, current is flowing from P2 to P1 direction instead of P1 to P2 direction as earlier. So due to this polarity reverse, the current will be flow in the secondary side from S1 to S2 direction. So you can see for this and this the CT is connected in the reverse polarity in the primary side. So earlier current is flowing from S2 to S1 direction. Now it is current is flowing from S1 to S2 direction. So there is 180 degree phase reversal due to CT polarity reverse in the primary side. So if this current angle is 1 at an angle 0 degree, then due to CT polarity reverse, this current angle will be 1 at an angle of 180 degree. Now what is neutral current and how does the neutral is formed? So this is red phase, yellow phase and blue phase. It may be either transformer CT or it may be a load feeder CT. So S1 of red phase, yellow phase and blue phase in the secondary side are connected towards the meter or relay. It may be a meter or it may be a relay to the terminal number 1, 3, 5 respectively, and 2, 4, 6, that is output of meter or relay is sorted together, that is red phase, yellow phase and neutral blue phase of the secondary side is sorted together to form the neutral, and it is taken back to the all the S2 terminal of the red phase, yellow phase and blue phase secondary side of the CT. This is how the neutral formation is done. Now I will discuss how the any phase CT reverse will affect the neutral current and what will be the magnitude of the neutral current on account of CT polarity reverse of any phase. Now consider in the primary side for each phases 40 ampere current is flowing and CT ratio is 400 by 1. Now since the CT ratio is 400 by 1, in the secondary side the magnitude of the current will be 100 milliampere for red phase, yellow phase and blue phase respectively, and there will be 120 degree phase apart for red, yellow and blue phase. That is IR is equal to 100 at an angle of 0 degree milliampere, IY is equal to 100 at an angle of minus 120 degree, and IB is equal to 100 at an angle of 120 degree milliampere. So the neutral current is nothing but the sum of this phasor current, that is IR plus IY plus IB. Under balance condition, this sum of this current will be 0. Now under balance condition, that is IR, IY and IB, the magnitude of each phase is same. Magnitude of each phasor is same, but there will be 120 degree phase apart for red, yellow and blue phase. So IR plus IY is exactly same of IB but opposite of IB, and that is why IR plus IY plus IB is equal to 0. Again for if sum of II plus IB is equal to same of magnitude of IR but in opposite of R. Again for IR plus IB is same of IY, but in opposite in phasor of IY, and that is why sum of the three balance current is 0. So IR plus IY, that is 100 at an angle of 0 degree plus 100 at an angle of minus 120 degree, which comes as 100 at an angle of minus 60 degree, and IB is equal to 100 at an angle of 120 degree. That is sum of these two current is 0. That is why IN, that neutral current in under balance condition, is 0. Now consider that is blue phase CT is polarity is corrected wrongly. That is P2 is connected towards the bus side in the primary side, and P1 is connected towards the load side. So there will be no impact on the primary side, but in case of neutral current, the sum of the three phase current will not be same. Now what will be the magnitude of the neutral current? Now since the ratio is 400 by 1 for each phase, the magnitude of the red, yellow and blue phase current will be same, that is as earlier, that is 100 milliampere. Now since the Y phase, for in case of blue phase, the current is flowing in the primary side, that is from P2 to P1. So the current is flowing in the secondary side will be from S1 to S2, that is 180 degree phase shift for blue phase CT. So the phasor of blue phase in the secondary side, there will be 180 degree phase shift. That is earlier it was in this direction, that is 100 at an angle of plus 120 degree. Now it will be 100 at an angle of minus 60 degree. So IR plus IY, that is since the three current are balanced, that is magnitude is same, IR plus IY will be sum of this will be I at an angle of minus 60 degree. So IN is equal to IR plus IY plus IB. Now IR is equal to 100 at an angle of 0 degree, and IY is equal to 100 at an angle of minus 120 degree. But in case of IB, there will be 180 degree phase shift, that is it will be 100 at an angle of minus 60 degree. This is the phase for IB in the secondary current. So the sum of IR plus IY is equal to 100 at an angle of minus 60 degree, and IB is equal to 100 at an angle of minus 60 degree. So the IN is equal to 2 into 100 at an angle of minus 60 degree milliampere. So in case of polarity reverse for one phase CT, there will be 2 times of neutral phase current will be flow in the secondary side. That is, if secondary side current is 100 milliampere, then in the neutral current it will be 200 milliampere. Now angle will be different for different phase CT's polarity reverse. Now if the phase polarity of Y phase is reverse, then this there will be angle difference for phase shift for 180 degree for Y phase series, that is this phase comes in this angle, that is IY at an angle of plus 60 degree. So sum of this phase current will be 2 into I at an angle of plus 60 degree. Again if the phase if the polarity of red phase is reversed, then this phase will becomes at an I at an angle of 180 degree, and sum of the three current that is neutral current will be 2 into I at an angle of 180 degree. So if any phase CT polarity reverse, so 2 times of the phase current in the secondary side will flow in the neutral current. This is how the neutral current is impacted due to polarity reverse in the phase CT.